So how to make $100 per day with Fiverr. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Milad Brady here from miladbredo.com, and on this video I'm going to be showing you a simple, very simple way on how you can make $100 per day with Fiverr. As you know, that Fiverr is a website where you can sell your services. So I'm just going to show you a simple service that has been very underutilized, and there's not a lot of people that are actually providing their service. So I'm going to show you where you can really tap that without having a lot of competition. So the method is very simple. So there's no experience required, just to take a few hours per day and no technical skills. And I encourage you to stick around until the end of the video, because I will show you a very cheap product to do that will do everything for you on complete autopilot, right? So let's go here on the website. So this is the hack I was telling you about, because on YouTube there's a lot of YouTube is now worldwide, so there's a lot of marketers out there that hasn't been fully utilizing other languages other than English. So they assume that English is English is probably the number one most spoken language in the world, but the second most spoken language is an untapped niche. So people are actually doesn't have any idea that there's a lot of money to be made with the second or third language. So that could be Spanish and Chinese, right? With the Indian language, there's a lot of them, so I will probably just go with Spanish and Chinese. So those are I think number two, number third most spoken language. So you could offer your service, like if you have those if you know how to speak Spanish and Chinese, then you could definitely offer, because look at these guys. They do voiceovers and stuff, but this one, she will do Burmese translation and voiceover, and she's charging $139. So that's already it. So you just have to dub it, and you can make $100 per day on just one service. And there's still a lot. So depending on the length of the video, they can transcribe, meaning they can put into words the language and then to another language. So they can do that. But definitely you can make a lot of services. As you can see, there's not a lot of people that can offer a wide variety of service, but as you can see, that this is an untapped niche. And also, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're doing affiliate marketing, then you definitely need to tap onto other language, especially in YouTube, right? Because English is not the only language there on YouTube. I see a lot of viral videos out there that are on different language on YouTube. So that's how you're gonna tap on that tap on that niche, that untapped niche of millions of people actually on there. Like on the States, there's a study out there that 20% of people in United States are speaking second language. They're not speaking English. So that could be Spanish. So that's already like 60 million people that are speaking Spanish. So if you can tap into that niche, like if you can make a service here from Spanish to English or English to Spanish, then you can dub it, then you can charge as much as her. So like I said, there's going to be a software that I highly recommend that you're going to check out, and that software that it just recently launched, I think just on September 21st. That's yesterday, and at the time of recording of this video. So that software is called Vidscribe AI. So this is really awesome software, because what it did is that it can take any videos from YouTube, and it will transcribe it and redub it on its own on different languages. And you can see here that you can transcribes and redub in 28 languages. So currently, at the time of this video, when they release a product, these are the supported audio dubbing languages. So you can transcribe from English to Dutch to English, and it's a lot. It's already a lot of language here to start. So like I said, you can start with Spanish to English and English to Spanish. Now, what I like about this product is because currently they're selling it at $21 one-time fee. So it's really cheap. So if you purchase this and offer your service here, or you can do other stuff that I will show you how how you can fully maximize the software. But just offering your service here and then just letting this software to do it all for you, that is probably will take you probably like 10 minutes, and then you can charge them with wide variety of languages that you can translate for them or transcribe for them, right? So like there's also a transcription, like not only translation but transcription. So transcription services, you can charge them $6, $7, $10. So there's a lot of offer for you there, but then technically you're not doing the work. You are using this software, Vidscribe AI, and at the time of recording of this video, the price is $21. So it's really cheap. So Vidscribe AI, this is really one of a kind software out there, and I'm actually gonna use this on my other video, so that primarily this video is gonna be speaking in English, since I'm living currently in Canada, but then I will have other languages that like Spanish, Filipino, and Chinese. So those are my top 3 languages that I need to top in, so that I will have other audiences that can watch my video besides English. So so you can see that it's really simple, guys. I mean, if you want to do it manually, you can do it if you have if you speak different languages, and you can offer that on Fiverr. But then if you are like me, that doesn't have that kind of demand on other languages, you can use this software, Vidscribe AI, that I will be leaving the link on the description down below, and you can just check it out. And if you decide to pick this up, I'll be throwing a bonuses that will help you make more money with the software. And if you click the description, the link down in the description, you will be sent on this page where you'll see my bonuses here. So my bonus number 1 is how to make money on Fiverr with Vidscribe AI. So this is a complete course that I was able to get for you guys, so that you will understand how to fully set up everything on Fiverr, and not just with the Vidscribe AI. It also teaches you different services that you can also do on Fiverr, which is I really like. Bonus number 3 is the 3 monetization strategies. So I will teach you now this software. I will teach you how you can monetize it, how you can make money with the software, right? Because you did purchase it, so I want to teach you how to make money with it. So I will teach you that. So, and one monetization strategy is how to make money with click cost per action. So meaning you are selling, you doing CPA marketing. So meaning there's companies out there are buying for leads, so you are generating leads for them. So this course will teach you how to do it. So that could help you with the Vidscribe AI, so that you can use that to make a video on YouTube and transcribe it, and then promote it with CPA offers, right? And how to rank number 1 in YouTube. So if you're using YouTube, you can fully maximize the Vidscribe AI on using YouTube here, and you can you can compete on different languages other than English on YouTube. And my bonus number 5 is how to make $100 per day using your smartphone. So if you don't have access to a computer or laptop, then you can totally make money just using your smartphone and with Fiverr. So that's it, guys. So really simple. Translation and transcribing is a very good service that you can offer here on Fiverr. And then you can do translation or dubbing. Let's see here. See, English to Arabic. So you can charge $14, but then the software can already also do that for you. So it can dub English to Arabic. So definitely, guys, you can see here, you can offer wide variety of services. You can do dubbing, translating, and transcriptioning. But then this software will do everything for you, which is I really like to recommend this to you. So Again, if you decide to pick this up, I'll be throwing away bonuses here to help you maximize the software, and then really make money out of this, and hopefully you will make $100 per day and totally change your job after this one. All right, guys. So I really hope you get value from this video. If you do, just let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know what you guys think. Do you think that this is a viable way to make money from home? And if you have any questions, again, just let me know, because I'm always happy to help you out with the software or with Fiverr itself. All right, guys. So Millard Brady here. Thank you for watching my video. I'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.